That's what we got going on today. Bruce Mobile Auto Detailing. Gonna do a little wash in the back. Shine the tires up. Get them right in and out. It's a work truck. Ain't that bad. Let me get all that right. You know what I'm saying? Ain't bad. Get my brother right. Heating and cooling service. Stay tuned. Yeah, man, it's the Express Detail Wash and Vac. Y'all seen what it looked like before? Bruce Mobile Auto Detailing. This is the work truck. So the owner didn't want much, he just wanted a wash and vac. I did a little extra, wiped down his interior, hit it with a steamer. Would have did a little more, but you know, $50, can't beat it. You know? Yeah, I remember what it looked like before. That's what it looked like now. Bruce Mobile Auto Detailing, Houston, Texas. He had a little stains on his seat. Yeah, I cleaned all that. This consists of whole exterior wash. Get the bugs off. Clean your rims. Clean your wheel well somewhat. You know, make it look decent. $50, you can't beat that. It's a truck, work truck, can't beat it. And get at it, man. Use heating and cooling star service. It's my neighbor. Y'all need AC repair, anything. I'm guessing that's what that is. Could be wrong. Look me promoting the wrong info. Hey, just trying to promote the man business. That's all. Y'all seen what that looked like before.